Hi people, this is Nettie again one more time. I'm not going to talk about the plants, even though they look beautiful, as you can see. And that's not what I'm here. I'm going to show you when you have, let's say, a balcony or you have a place that you want to put your plants, because you could put them inside here too. Um, and I could show you how you could do that. Okay, first of all, I have this, right? And I'm going to show you that you could save, which I did it now. You could save the earphones, you know. Why the earphones? That they broken and they no good and they should be in the garbage? You could recycle them. I recycled this one. This one, it was too short. So what I did was I put some tape to hold it down. Look, this is, how you call this? Mint. Another piece I'm propagating, and it is beautiful. They're very easy to propagate. If you buy Vicks, it is Vicks, the ones like they use in the cream for your nose and everything. Their Vicks. And I'm gonna show you. Also, you could use a string. Not only that, I'm gonna show you more. Here, I had to close this because the dog was getting in, and I used this part here to put it. Here I used double, and I was able to put two. But here I could use double, but it's too close. So I'm gonna just leave it at that. Or if you want it more chic, you could buy one of these. This is the oldest one. It is messed up. It doesn't clean. It doesn't do nothing. So I'm not gonna paint. I was thinking of painting them because they've been like, I think like 10 years, like 10 years, something like that. So they're ready real bad. But I still use them, as you see. It only has two sides, but it's okay because for these kind of things, this don't weigh much, so it's not gonna break it. Also, you could use this. These are strips that you buy, and then you stick them. You could just go like this and stick it up. I can't see where the beginning of this is, but you just pull it and it comes out. It's I forgot the name what they call that, but you could take it out, paste it back in, and like that. Okay, now you're going like, okay, I ain't got no balcony, so I can't do that. Yes, you could. Let's use our imagination. Let's say you have a place, that you could put lights, or what they call lights for plants. All you have to do, you could put, like, let's say a board here, so this could pop out like that, and you could put the things, because all you need is the string to go through here, and if you have a wall there, it's going to be hard, you know. So it's better for it to be more out so they could get more light and more aeration. So, okay, I will put a board here. But, you could put a nice, beautiful painted board. Doesn't have to be, wood. It could be like you put it there, you paint it the same as what the house is, what the area is, so it doesn't outlook, and you put it that one here, let's say, and one here. You have that space to either, if you make it long, you will have enough space to put enough plants, and also get with the how you call it, with the lightlets, the light you put for the plants. And I noticed that I don't use inside. I have a, how you call it, an onion. It looks gorgeous. Maybe I'll show you at the end. It's gorgeous. It's twin. They twin. And I'm not thinking about putting her in the dirt because they dying there. I put them and then they dead and all that. So I'll probably put something else there. I was thinking of garlic. I got a whole bunch of garlics in the freezer. Not in the freezer, in the, in the refrigerator. And I'm planning to, I want to I love garlic, and I'm trying to find a way to keep them alive. I put them there. It rains too much in the winter time, and when I go and look for it, they already dead. It it gets it rots. So I was thinking of doing it inside. I have LED lights that's what's really working for them in the winter time. So you could do it this way, put a board there, another board there, paint it the same as the how you call it, as the color of the walls, and you could either get these, you know, but if you do it this way, you got more space. Espérate, mami, estoy haciendo un video. Um, if you do it this way, it would make more space this way. I would rather buy this. I'm gonna see if I buy one. I want to get another one because that's much easier. You just roll it around, tape it, and that's it. When you want to use it, you take it out, and that's it. It does it. You put it around, and that's it. You want to move it a place, you just take it out. Velcro. That's what it is. Now I remember the name, Velcro. And that Velcro, you could use it all over. You could put it up here if you want. You could put it down there, down here, anywhere you want. Right now I got enough space. So probably that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy Velcro, and I'm going to do the rest on Velcro if I could find them. So this is how you could do if you want, how you call it? You want to have plants. Maybe in the bottom you could put like a table and put little, all plants there. I have an avocado. I got 2 avocados here, plus I got one in the back. This one I wanted for experiment. The other one I don't want. I don't want to mess with the other one. The other one is beautiful. So then and you let them grow, right there, and then you just tie it up. Like here I just tied it with this rail thing, and it's growing up there. And outside, this that you see there, right there, that's a soursop, which is growing. You know that I took it in the summer out to the sun, and I almost killed it. Now they're giving the foliage again. They look beautiful, and I wet them from here. Plus, they having little babies right there. Little kids right there. So I do take this out, and I wet it real good, and then I just let it be. So, people, if you want to really, really plant, you could do it. You just have to have an imagination. You could also put borders. Those fancy, how you call that? The fancy metal ones. And how you call it? You put the plants there. If you could get it with a hole that matches with this, you could just put it in that hole. So it's very easy to do this. When they get bigger, well, this getting bigger, and I got it in one big pot. That's it. On the bottom you could put like you see I have a red thing that it fits right. So the water does not. As soon as I see a little bit of water coming down, I stop giving it water, and it lasts a couple of days. So people, let's do gardening. We don't know what's going to happen in the States. We don't know what's going to happen with our life. We don't know what disaster it could be. That when you would mostly need, the most you need, ya mismo, espérate, me estás haciendo eso. I call it, when you want to have something. I love corianders, but I don't want to buy them. So I got a whole bunch. I got behind my kitchen. I got in my raised bed. Plus they're growing more because I'm taking the seeds. I don't want it to fly. I just sprinkle it in there, and they're growing, and they're beautiful. Here I got 2 lemons right here, and when they get big, I don't know if I'm gonna plant it outside or I leave it inside. I don't know, but inside is not gonna happen anything because I got two LED lights. I got one for this side and this side to lighten this side, and one for the other side. Because what's over there doesn't hardly lighten over here. So they're getting pretty good, how you call it, pretty good views. I also have right here, I don't want you to see my clothes. I have to take it out because I got to also make the other one. This is a soursop. Soursop? Yeah, this is another soursop. I got one there and I got one here. You must say, well, hey girl, you're going crazy. No, I'm not. I love plants, especially if you could eat their fruits. So I'm very happy with it, you know. And I'm not planning to take it outside because to do it, I will have to do it in wintertime. If I do it in summertime, it will die. So this has to be done in wintertime because there's hardly no sun, rains a lot, you know, and that kind of stuff. So I also have these, my, how I call it, aloe vera. But I'm not too happy because where I had them before, they were giving babies like crazy. Since I put her here, she hasn't had a baby. It's the same ones that I just buried there, put there. So I'm planning to take her out. I don't know. But, and put something else that does love it here. You know, I know the Koreans would like it. No, but I'm not gonna put no more Koreans. I got 2 boxes of Koreans already. Plus, I got outside the giant ones, and you know, it's enough. So, like for instance, let me show you also. I forgot about this one. Let me show you. Right here, I have this. I could put plants there if I want, and move this so you know it could. How you call it? It could light go-tos to him to the plants. Those I used also, and I painted it when I painted the house. I did it all together, so it's, you know, sometimes I forget it is there, but I will be doing using that one. I probably move this one over here, and whenever I need to water, I would just push it to the side. But it's a lot of work, so maybe I might not do it. I got that like to hold the light, as you see there. That's the light I use for this side, you know, where the washing machine is at. So there is ways you could do it, but if you want to do it something like this, you could. You know, it will be just putting a how you call it, a nail, and just hang them up. But that won't give you, how you call it, anything. It will be like for begin, you know, put the seeds new, because then later as it grows you have to change it. With the system with this, there I told you about the Velcro and stuff, that is way better because you could have plants that are big, you know, and just reinforce it, and that way you know you have it, you have a good plant. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.